What's happening, guys? So we're going to be building the Suffolk radiator cover white. Those are the measurements. Good home. So let's see how it looks. Oh, this is before. Let's see what after looks like. Okay, cool. And there you have it. Probably the most quickest I've ever done. And I've had an Amazon one before and it took forever to do the little slates. But this came as a solid piece. This came as a solid piece, solid piece, solid piece. No screws or anything. I just put it in, pushed it down, pushed it up one of the ways there, and then just brought it up together. If I lift this, it does feel a bit wobbly. So I'll get the drill and charge it up and then just mount it so that at least it's a bit more fixed. But other than that, I mean, that's probably the fastest radiator cover I ever did. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. I'll happily give you my experience. But there it is there from B&Q London. Thanks for watching.